Good morning, dear students. Uh, Today's topic is schema is of three types, that is physical schema, logical schema, and view schema. Here, come to the point physical schema. The design of a database at logical level, that is programmer and database administrator Once again, I repeat, the design of the database at physical level, the data stored in blocks of storage is described at this level. This is a physical schema. Come to logical schema. The design of the database at logical level, programmer and database administrator work at this level. At this level, data can be uh, described as a certain types of data records get stored in a data structure. This is a physical and logical schema. For a view schema, the design of the database at a view level, this generally describe in-user interaction with the database system. Here we are having three blocks, that is course, student, and section. In a course block, we are having course ID, course name, department, and in a student, we are having student ID, student name, and course ID. From course and students interlink to the schema, that is we are having section block. In this, section ID, section student ID, and course ID. Schema is only a structure view design of database. Keys, that is DBMS instance, definition of instance. The data stored in database at a particular moment of time is called instant of database. Database schema defines the variable declarations in tables that belongs to particular database. The value of the variables at a moment of time is called the instance of the database. Here, the key plays an important role in relational database. It is used for identifying that is unique rows from table. It is also established a relationship among tables, that is primary key. A primary key is a column or set of tables that are uniquely identified. A primary is a column of set of columns in a table that are uniquely identified tables or columns in the table. Then what is a super key? A super key is a set of uh, one of more continues to uniquely identify rows in a table. Candidate key, a super key with no redundant attribute is known as candidate, and another is alternate key. Out of all candidate keys, only one get selected as prime keys, and the remaining keys are known as alternate keys or secondary keys. What is a composite key? A key that consists of more than one attribute to uniquely identify rows in the table is called composite key. The next is foreign key. Foreign keys are the column of a table that points uh, to the primary of the another table. It acts as across reference between tables. Reference between tables. Database design. In database design, it is a collection of process that facilitates the designing, develop, development, implementation, and maintainer of interpret data management system. The logical model concentrate on the data requirements and the data to the uh, stored independent of the physical consider, consideration transaction. The physical data design model involves the logical design of the data, that is database, on the physical media using hardware resources and software system such as database management system. Database design is crucial to high performance to database system. The main object of a database design to produce logical and physical design model of the proposal of the system. What is the next is database storage. Database are stored in file formats which contains records at a physical level. The actual data is stored in electromagnetic format on such level on some device that is high capacity that is primary memory, secondary memory, tertiary memory with a high speed. Primary storage. The memory storage that is directly accessible to the CPU comes under this category. CPU's internal memory, that is the registers but have low capacity. Fast memory, that is CACHE, CACHE, and main memory are directly accessible to the CPU as they are all placed on the motherboard of CPU chipset. This storage is typically very small, ultra fast and volatile. Primary storage requires continuous power supply in order to maintain its state. In case of power failure, all the data is lost. all the data is lost. Secondary storage. Secondary storage devices are used to store data, includes memory device that are not a part of magnetic disks. Optical disks, that is DVD, CD, etc. that are hard disks, flash drives, and magnetic tapes. Magnetic tapes. These are the secondary storage device. For a tertiary storage is used to store huge volumes of data. Since such a storage device are external to the computer system, they are they are the slowest in speed. They are the slowest in speed. These storage devices are mostly used to take the backup of an entire system. Optical discs and management tapes are widely used as tertiary uh, storage. Here, curing. Q refers to the action of retrieving data, that is from your database. Transaction management. A transaction can be defined as a group of tasks. A single task is the maximum processing unit which cannot be derived further. That is A apostrophe S, account of A, old balance, that is equal to A balance, new balance is equal to old balance plus 500, A Bologna is equal to A balance is equal to new balance, close account A, B's account, B apostrophe S account, open account of B, old balance is a B balance, new balance is a old balance plus 500, capital B balance is equal to new balance, and close balance of B. This is a transaction management. The next is ACID property. A transaction in a database system must maintain atomicity, constancy, isolation, durability, commonly known as acid property. In order to ensure accuracy, compute, computeness, and data integrity.